In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Google Calendar invite. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create an event, add your guests, and send the invite so it lands in their inbox and on their calendars. First, open a web browser and go to calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account. You'll see your calendar in day, week, or month view. To create the event, either click the Create button with the plus sign in the top left or simply click on the specific time slot where you want your event to happen. Either option opens the event details window. Now fill in the essentials. Start with the event title so everyone knows what the meeting or appointment is about. Next, set the date and time. If you clicked a time slot, it should pre-fill, but you can adjust it as needed. Make sure you've got the correct day, start time, and end time. Double check AM and PM and confirm you're in the right time zone, especially if you or your guests are in different regions. Taking a moment here helps prevent any scheduling confusion later. With the basics in place, it's time for the invite portion, adding your guests. On the right side of the event window, look for the section labeled Add Guests. Click into that field and type the person's email address. As soon as it appears, press Enter to add them to the guest list. Repeat this for each person you want to invite. You'll see the names or emails appear below as they're added. This is the key step that makes it an actual calendar invite because these guests will receive an email with the event details and an option to respond. When everything looks good, you're ready to send the invite. Click Save at the bottom of the event window. A prompt will pop up asking if you want to send email invitations to your guests. Click Send, that's it. Your guests will receive the invite by email and they can accept, decline, or mark it as maybe. Their responses will show up on your event so you can track who's coming. If you need to make adjustments later, like changing the time or correcting the title, open the event, make your edits, click Save again, and confirm sending updates so guests stay informed. You've just created an event, added your guests, and sent a Google Calendar invite the right way. Follow these steps each time and your scheduling will be smooth and consistent.